talk about e-business. These days, the e-business is the trending one. If you take its history from the 1950, it has just come into the talk. So slowly it was like to storage of the data, and later on it started by transaction of the data, and then it started by having money transactions, and by now the current time the things are booming because of e-business. I would be telling about this in the end very clearly. Let's move on about various things of e-business and traditional business. As you can see that in traditional business there goes a lot of paperwork. Rather than in e-business, there is a less paperwork is done, and automatically the data goes saved down, and there is no chances of getting more errors because of e-business. I can say that there is no errors because it's not manually done, but rather in traditional business it's manually done. And one more, the biggest advantage is a man can, or any organization can operate its business at various places, I can say globally, from a single point because of e-business. Rather in a traditional business it's not possible because the customer should approach the point. If I say the e-business is actually divided in two platforms, and where it is pure play and another one is brick and clay. The pure play part is that where it involves of internet, and in the part of brick and clay there is without internet access, etc. E-commerce is a part of e-business. Always there is a discussion between e-business is different and e-commerce is different, or what is this e-business and e-commerce. This electrical business or electronical commerce is both. Electronical commerce is part of e-business, where e-commerce has four different ways, we can say that, where business to business, business to customer, customer to business, and customer to customer. This will be very good that with the examples we can understand it very well. Business to business, we can say that the Flipkart and Walmart merger, this recent merger, is a part of business to business. Customer to business or business to customer, these both things go hand in hand. Like we can say that Ola, Amazon, Flipkart businesses, all these e-commerce websites, this is like customer to business or business to customer kind. This Netflix, etc. also. And if we take to customer, the payments app like Google Pay, Phone Pay, etc. This is all customer to customer. If we take the advantages and disadvantages, here there are a lot of advantages. But in disadvantages we have some major problem like security reasons. And if we take the current scenario like this Flipkart, as I also mentioned before, the Flipkart and merger of this Walmart were based upon the e-business concept, and many of the businesses which were started up earlier have vanished because of this lockdown of COVID-19 impact. And if we see many of the businesses have come forward and they are doing very good. If I take the Reliance Industrial Limited based upon the JioMart concept or etc. of Jio, which got great investments from different line level entities including the Google and Facebook. These mergers were done based upon having a big e-business platform ahead. Thank you.